This is a Keychron V6 wired custom mechanical keyboard, and so far I'm really liking it. It feels great to type on, the keys are smooth, very responsive, and make typing feel effortless. The knob is extremely convenient whenever I need to quickly adjust my audio. And the lights, I love keyboards with backlight effects. This one has several styles to choose from, which is a nice touch. The keyboard came with Mac keycaps installed for some of the keys, but swapping them out for Windows was really easy, so it wasn't a big deal at all. I mean, I didn't do it, my boyfriend did it. It is his keyboard. Here's what the typing sounds like. If you're looking for a full-size mechanical keyboard that feels great and looks awesome, I definitely recommend giving this one a try.